If you're seeing a Gimp display error, a glitchy canvas, missing toolboxes, or weird interface problems, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This is especially useful if Gimp is flickering, your image isn't refreshing properly, icons are disappearing, or the whole workspace looks broken. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's start with the most common display issue first. A corrupted or flickering user interface. If your canvas looks frozen, your toolbar icons disappear, or parts of the screen only redraw when you move your mouse over them, the first thing to try is resizing the Gimp window. You can do this by quickly maximizing and unmaximizing the window, or by grabbing the window corners and stretching it slightly. This simple action can force Gimp to redraw the interface and clear up temporary rendering problems. If that doesn't work, the next step is to change your theme. Go up to Edit, then Preferences, then Interface, and then Theme. Here, switch to a different theme temporarily. Sometimes a theme can cause display bugs or visual glitches, and switching it forces Gimp to reload parts of the interface. After that, check whether the problem is gone. If it is, you can keep the new theme or switch back once everything is stable. Another very effective fix is toggling single window mode. Go to Windows and uncheck single window mode, then wait a moment and turn it back on again. This may sound simple, but it can force Gimp to rebuild the workspace and refresh any broken panels or glitchy screen elements. If the layout is acting strangely, this is one of the fastest ways to reset the display without losing your work. If you want to check for deeper issues, open the Error Console. Go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and choose Error Console. This will show you active plugin errors and internal messages that may be affecting the display. If a plugin is crashing or causing a rendering problem, the Error Console can help you identify it. If the display issue still keeps happening even after restarting Gimp, then the problem may be coming from your local profile or settings cache. In that case, do a general reset. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and scroll all the way down to Reset. This will return your window and tool settings to the factory layout. It is one of the best ways to fix persistent interface problems when Gimp refuses to display correctly. After resetting, reopen Gimp and check whether the display is back to normal. In many cases, this clears broken layout data, restores missing panels, and fixes stubborn visual bugs that survive restarts. So to recap, if Gimp is glitching, start by resizing the window, then try changing the theme. Toggle single window mode, reopen recently closed dialogues, check the Error Console, and if needed, reset your preferences. Those steps solve most Gimp display errors without needing to reinstall the app. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with the exact Gimp error you're seeing, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it in a future video.